Yo, it's me, Milab. Yeah, you heard that right. So welcome back in my another fresh video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you like we are just using the another PNG, and you can find these images or PNGs on the Microsoft Bing Office, not the Office, bro. Yeah, you can find this on Google, bro. You can just type pen vector PNG. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. Wait, my Wi-Fi is little bit, So you can find this kind of images, bro. That pen, or you can just write like if you write markers, you can find this many kind of things, bro. So you can find this kind of PNGs. You just have to know this what this thing called in English, and you can just search it on Google, and you can find this image. Bam. Yeah. So now what we are gonna do this, we can give the effect like we are drawing the Uzi character. We are drawing the Uzi character. Yeah, literally we are going to draw this Uzi character right now. You don't believe, bro? Oh, I know, bro. You're not going to believe because this seems like out of your creativity level. So we just go, you just give the effect. You just go to 1 2 3 4 5 maybe 6 frame forward, and we can just go with this image like this. We again I just go to double click 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, like that, and again go with the crease part, and then another left side, right side, 1 2 3 4 5. Again we go to the left side, 1 2 3 4 5. Again we are going to right side, yeah. Again we are going to 6 frame forward, and we again go to this part, belt section. Again we going to do this some kind of 5 or 6 frame forward, and we just do this kind of thing from here because we have to draw the hand also. Again we are going to do 1 2 3 4 5, and we just make it happen like it looks like real. Again we go to do this same thing, bro. Yeah, buddy. Again 1 2 3 4 5 frames forward, and we just go to this end part. Yes, now you can see that it shows like we are drawing some kind of things in here. But if we do this kind of stuff, but we can see that, oh my god, bro, this PNGs already exist, and we are just giving the animation to the marker, but you cannot see the drawing effect. So for creating this kind of drawing effect, what we're gonna do is we have to do the masking again in this. Yeah, it's really suck, bro. Like believe in me, it's really suck, bro. Masking really suck. It's very it's very complicated thing. Masking is very complicated. Yes, I believe. Yes, true. So we just go 1 2 3 4 5 frames forward, like in the flow of the marker only. We are going to just give this masking. In the flow of the pen only we can give the masking effect, otherwise it is not going to be working. So we'll just go again 1 2 3 4 5 frames forward, yeah, like this. We just go with a single frame, then it will put some kind of a good impact, I think so, like that. Actually, buddy, I think from the downside also it also increase. Yes, like that. Again we go up to 1 2 3, and just go to the masking, and we just again increase it here about like that. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Again we going to increase it like in the marker form, how the marker is going, bro. We can do this effect more detailing using the pen tool, but bro, like this will take you a lot of time. So it's kind of if the customer is paying you more, so you can just go with the pen tool. But if the customer is paying you less, then you can use this effect. It will probably looks dope and gives the good impact also, so you get no problems, bro, doing this stuff. Yeah, we again go forward like that. This look crazy right now. This not looking good that much. This looking good. I thought so. This looking good, bro. Like, yes, it's looking good right now. Yeah, it's probably looking good. So yeah, here we completed, and you can see right now. Yes, So you can see this is creating so much. Oh my god, so it's so satisfactory. You can see this here, bro. Like, you literally can see that you are drawing something. So bro, masking is also cool stuff in Premiere Pro, and using some kind of your small 0.001% of creativity you put in it your edits, then this will blow your blow your work. So I'm ending this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you guys.